my name is NURTASYA SYAHIDA binti Alas and my student ID is 2023825086.
Hi, my name is AMEERA binti AZAHAR. My student ID is 2023644828.
Hi, my name is Delia BALKIS binti Muhammad Nasir and my student ID is 2023814932.
Hi, my name is AIFA NABILA binti Muhammad Ali. My student ID is 2023879798.
The learning objective of compound interest. Number 1, to determine accumulated or future value as at the end of the saving or investment or borrowing period. Number 2, to calculate the amount of interest received or incurred. I. So we're going to begin with compound interest chapter. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Compound interest formula is S equals to P bracket 1 plus K over M with the power of N. S is maturity value, P is principal, K is K% of interest rate compounded M times in a year. M is frequency of the interest is compounded in a year. N is total number of time interest calculated during the investment or loan period, and T is number of years. Total interest formula is I equals to S minus P. I is interest, S is maturity value, and P is principal. Question number 1. John invested 100,000 ringgit into RHB Bank at 6% compounded quarterly for 6 months. For the first question, find the accumulated amount after 6 months. For this question, you need abstract all of the information stated in the question, which is P equals to 100,000 ringgit, K equals to 6%, M equals to 4, and N equals to 4 multiply 0.5. Now, you need to insert all of information in the compound interest formula. The formula is S equals to P bracket 1 plus K over M with the power of N. So, the answer is RM 103022.50 cents. For the second question, find the total interest. Total interest formula is I equals to S minus P, which is I equals to RM 103022.50 cents minus 100,000 ringgit. So, the total interest is RM 3022.50 cents.
Next, the learning objective of compound interest. Number 1, to calculate the accumulated amount if there is an additional or deducted or amount during the saving or investment or borrowing period. Number 2, to calculate the accumulated amount if there is a change of interest rate during the saving or investment or borrowing period.
In compound interest, we have two special cases. Case 1, amount of investment is added or deducted during the investment period. For the case 2, interest rate change during the investment or borrowing period. Here in this video, I just want to show you guys how to calculate for the case 1. This is the timelines to find the case 1.
So, this is the question given. 2 years ago, Melissa deposit RM 2,950 into Maybank bank account that pays 2.85% interest compounded semi-annually. Today, she add 720 into the account. Find the balance in the account 3 years from today.
Now, let's calculate the answer. First thing first, we have to draw the timelines. We have to find the amount of P, K, and M. How to find the amount? We have to look back at the question given. So here, we got P equals to RM 2,950, K equals to 0.0285, M equals to 2. You need to put all of the information into the compound interest formula. S equals to P bracket 1 plus I power of N. For the first 2 years, you have to find the first maturity value. S equals to RM 2950 bracket 1 plus 0.0285 over 2 power of 4. The answer is RM 3121.778473. In the question, Melissa add RM 720 into her account. Next, we have to find the balance. Balance equals to RM 3121.778473 plus RM 720. The answer for balance is RM 3841.778473. The balance is the new principal.
Now, let's find the balance in the account 3 years from today. S equals to RM 3841.778473 bracket 1 plus 0.0285 over 2 power of 6. The answer is RM 4182.18 cents. So, that is the balance for Melissa after 5 years of investment.
Before we go into the next topic, let's understand the learning objectives. Number 1, to determine the value of monthly or periodic payments R. Number 2, to calculate the total interest incurred or received I. For the next topic is annuity. So, what is annuity? Annuity is series of equal payments or deposit made at regular intervals or period. There are 4 types of annuity. Number 1 is annuity due. Number 2 is annuity certain. Number 3 is general annuity. And number 4 is perpetuity. Annuity formula is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative N over I. A is value of annuity. R is periodic payment. I is periodic interest rate. N is number of payments or number of interest payment. N equals to MT. For question number 1, Miss Sharifah bought a Honda City car for RM 42,000. She paid 10% down payment. The balance would be paid by a monthly installment for 9 years. If the interest rate charged is 3.24% compounded monthly, find the monthly payment. So, first of all, we should find the balance after she paid the down payment. A equals to 0.1 multiple 42,000 ringgit. So, total for A is 4,200. To get the balance, RM 42,000 minus RM 4,200 equals to RM 37,800. For this question, you need to abstract all the information given in the question, which is A equals to 37,800, I equals to 0.0324 over 12, and N equals to power of negative 108. Let's calculate the answer. A equals to RM 37,800 equals to R 1 minus 1 plus 0.0324 over 12 power of negative 108 over 0.0324 over 12. So here we got 93.57 R. So to get the total payment, which is R, RM 37,800 divide 93.57
So the final answer for R, which is monthly payment, is RM 403.98 cents.
Special case in annuity. Our learning objective is to calculate the total outstanding balance if the payment was settled earlier and to determine the accumulated amount if the borrower missed the consecutive monthly payment. There are two types of special case in annuity. First, accumulated amount of unpaid payment that usually happen when the borrower missed the consecutive monthly payment, and the second one is settled debt early that happens when the payment was settled earlier. Let's solve the questions for a special case in annuity. The questions is, Ihsan is buying a new Proton at 17 for 98,800 ringgit. He paid 10% down payment and the balance is to be settled by making 9 years loan from RHB Bank that charge 3% compounded monthly. First questions. Find the monthly payment. First thing we need to do is find the balance after he paid 10% down payment. So our balance is 90% times 98,800 ringgit equals to 88,920 ringgit. After we found the balance, we need to put all the information given in the formula. So 88,920 ringgit equals to R brackets 1 minus 1 plus 0.03 over 12 power of negative 108 over 0.03 over 12. So the final answer is R equals to 940 ringgit 50 cents. The second question. If Ihsan missed 3 payments, how much should he pay on 4th payments in order to settle the errors? The formula we need to use is S equals to R brackets 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. Based on the information given, S is equals to 940 ringgit 50 cents brackets 1 plus 0.03 over 12 power of 4 minus 1 over 0.03 over 12. So our final answer is S is equals to 3,776 ringgit 13 cents.